guys, and welcome to my video. This is Noah Trading, and today we will do some trading shots with explanation like we used to do. If you find this video helpful for you, please hit the likes button, subscribe, and leave a comment. And let's start. So here I took, before I start recording, I took a call here. Why? I'll explain. So we have here support level, and we have here this low weak acting like support also. So there is confirmation. This candle is going down, then rejects up, then this candle goes down. I took my trade here on the right entry on the lowest support here, and I predicted that the candle will go up. So as you can see, so it's a win trade. Let's continue. So here we had a fake reversal, fake breakout, I mean, and it's a reversal. So here we have a broken resistance, so highly potential to go up because this candle made a false breakout, as I said, and this candle rejects from this point and goes up, highly potential for the next candle. So if it rejects from this point, I will go for lower. So okay, it broke, highly potential to go up. So here it's somehow risky because we have this point, but I believe this candle will go up. Let's see what will happen. So let's see. Okay, it's going up. It's good trade I made. So, okay, we have our trend line here. There is this is a trend line. So we are in the highest point of the resistance. So this candle, if it ends below that of this line, so here is the zone of our resistance. So this candle is making a reversal from that point. So let's see. So highly potential. This candle from the highest point will go down. Okay, let's wait. Okay. If we miss a trade, don't worry, you can take another trade. So let's wait the best moment. Okay, come on. Okay, we avoid. So here the point and the tip, if this little candle don't break this high, highly potential the next candle will go down because we are into a resistance, and both of those candles are making a rejection on it, and this buyers and the buyers are weak, so highly potential to go down. So let's see. Sorry for this. Okay. So here. So this is the resistance zone. We have another resistance zone here. So this candle made a break, made a rejection, both rejections on this resistance, so highly potential to go down, as I said. Let me, okay. So we have a winning trade here. So let's continue. Okay, so this candle made the rejection. Let's see where the rejection was. So if we draw like this, okay, why this candle stopped at that level? You should ask this question. Okay, so this candle acted with this one. So this candle rejected from this area, and this candle also rejected on this area. So there is in the left there is a strong support or resistance you can find, and those wicks are reacting over it. So let's see what this candle reserved for us. So this candle is making, okay, it will go down as, okay, I believe this candle will go down. Why? Because there is no space between this candle. There is no space between this candle and the rejection that this green candle made. So let's see what will happen. Okay. Also, we have this as a reversal point. So let's see what will happen. Hope this will be an ITM. I guess it's an ITM. As you can see, guys, this is going in the right decision. So here we have also a point that we don't need to miss. This point. Okay, some gaps on the screen. So this candle, when she hit this level, I will go for a lower. I will explain once it will hit. Okay, I can take it. Okay, I took it. So this little reversal, this one, those both. So if you draw this line, you can find this candle is reacting over it. So, and this is the breakout of this little support, and this candle made a rejection on this level, and here it's making a false breakouts. So highly potential if this candle retest this zone, as this is the first test and this is the second test, highly potential for this candle to respect it. And as you can see, it's a winning trade here. And don't forget to join my Telegram group. The link will be in description. If you don't have an account in IQ option, you can click on the link in the description too. And just thumbs up guys, subscribe, and let's do the next video. So see you later in another video, and bye bye.